Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today we have a Lionel GP38 Diesel Locomotive. It's the Lionchief Plus, and what's special about this one is it's actually the Paducah and Louisville road name. And thanks to the folks over there at Train World, I was able to get this, and it came in not too long ago. So we're going to get this unboxed. Oh wow, look at there. Yeah, they gave me an extra train catalog. That's where the weight was coming from. So there we go. Yes, the Paducah and Louisville Lionchief Plus 2.0 GP38. Road number 3803. So we'll get this unboxed. We'll set it on the little round table. Get a nice 360-degree view. I'm really looking forward to getting this one out of here. Oh wow, there we go. Look at that. They actually put the window on the side of the locomotive. I haven't seen that in years. There we go. Number on this is 2534040. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Got a piece of tape here. Had some audio issues when I was unpacking, so I'm going to kind of do some voiceovers here. So here's the instructions. And then next up, there's 6 pieces of tape in total. So there's like 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and then 1 on each side. So we're going to go ahead and cut all of the tape around the plastic here. And now we'll go ahead and remove that top layer of plastic here. It does have the extra traction tires, and it also has that pipette for smoke fluid if you so choose to use it. And next we're going to go ahead and remove all of these foam pieces. There's the 2 pieces on top of the truck, and then we have the foam on both the front and the back of the locomotive. You see, we'll go ahead and remove these, and then we have the 2 on each side here, so get that undone as well. And there we go. Man, I really love this paint scheme. It's really spot on. I was able to see the 1-to-1 scale version of this engine not too long ago, making a run from the West Point area. Wow, this is awesome. Let's get it on the turntable for a full 360-degree view. Okay. So measures about 15 inches from coupler to coupler. And if we flip it to the bottom, you can see here's all your switches. So we have our smoke on-off switch, Bluetooth on-off switch, and then our run program switch here at the bottom. So I am going to operate this in Bluetooth. We are going to turn the smoke unit on. I'm going to go ahead and prime the smoke unit, and we'll get it over to the layout. Okay, got it over here to the layout. We're going to go ahead and get the smoke unit primed here. So just going to shoot a little bit of smoke fluid in there. Ready to go. Okay, we're going to apply some power. Again, I'm going to use my old iPhone. I think it was a 4 or a 5. Still had a use. So it's in Wi-Fi mode only, but it works for as your cab 3 remote for your Bluetooth engines. So let's get some power applied. We'll get it synced up. Okay, so we got power on. Tap there. Let's go ahead and do a search. There it is, Paducah and Louisville, GP38. We'll go ahead and connect. We'll go back home. And let's see if we have some options. So we'll start with the horn. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty basic. We'll just stick with number 3 on that. We'll go ahead and go to the bell. We're going to go up. I like the first one there. We're going to keep that set there. Go back home. All right.
Dispatcher, ready to roll. Can I pull? Over. Please hold. Getting your route line now. Out.
Awesome. All right. We're going to go ahead and get this linked up to got a mixed freight train we're going to haul today, and bring it back in just a second. Well, there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Had a great time running this train. I got quite a bit of laps out of it. I was actually had a few areas on my layout that was having some issues, so I had to work on it for a little bit. But overall, pleased with the product. Glad to have it in my collection, and a good representation of the Paducah and Louisville line. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the line.